tayo mag-grocery ulit today dahil today is Sunday. So, madalas, Sunday talaga kami ni Mr. nakakapag-grocery kasi Saturday parang pinakapahinga niya na yun. So, alis kami. Hindi naman masyadong madami ang bibilhin namin. Konti lang. And, yun lang. Ito tayo mag-grocery haul pagbalik. So, pupunta rin kami guys ng Asian store para bumili ng mga ilang kailangan na gusto ko pating bilhin doon. So, see you later guys! Dito na kami sa car guys. Si Mr. is mag-aayos pa ng washer. Dahil ang ating baby ay nagliligalig na. Gusto na lumabas. Nag-iiyak-iyak na siya. Ang ating baby di na makaantay. Smiley naman. Hello! You like the camera? You always looking on the camera, isn't it? Say hi ikaw. Hi guys! Pretty! You want dede, isn't it? Yeah, I have milk for you. Yes, we're going. So we're going, guys. What is that? Key? Okay.
We're going to the Filipino market.
Because it's quiet.
Traffic, yeah.
Yeah, because it's inside the university.
Yeah. Which they're there on Saturdays.
Yeah. Dito na tayo. Ay, grabe, ang lamig. Ang hangin na naman. Every time we're coming here, it's so windy and cold. Lagi na lang mahangin. Every time we're coming here, it's so windy and so cold. Look at that. She's turning into pink na. Dito na tayo, guys. Uy, sobrang lamig. Ano nga bang bibilhin ko? Shrimp paste. Ito tayo ng pancit canton. Hello? We're gonna get some noodles. That's 2 pound. 45 PG. How are you looking? Oh, lamig. Tapioca. Do you have tapioca? I have my list. Yeah, because you like kimchi. So, I'm gonna get one of these. It's different, look.
What?
Different from the one I
There's no point
have.
in me looking.
Because you're not eating.
I'm not going to go anywhere and eat it.
You have no choice. Do you have breadcrumbs? I don't see any breadcrumbs in...
I think so, but if you've got some, buy some over here.
They're a bit
You
expensive.
can't reach them, can you?
But they're a bit expensive.
These.
Pricey. Not really expensive, but... No, don't get one.
Why?
I don't need. I'm just asking.
I think we do have them, but you might struggle to find them. And I don't know where we'd be looking
Cameras
for
there.
them.
Meron silang ano guys, oh. Filipino style spaghetti sauce. 5.75. Grabe sa mahal. Ito ko tayo ng isa. Ano to? Powder cornstarch. I don't see any cornstarch. What is this?
Tapioca flour.
Tapioca, rice flour, cornstarch, potato, glutinous. There's no cornstarch. Cake flour, potato flour. It's the Chinese, Japanese. Flour, wet rice. I don't think they have cornstarch. Cornstarch, 270. How many grams is that?
420.
420.
Here, look.
Okay. I think that's it.
Okay.
Magkano ang condense nila dito? Medyo mahal din ang condense dito. Evaporated, 95. Ay, meron silang tuyo. Dilis. 270. Tas ang pangit. Mahal. Kuha tayo ng ano guys, lumpia wrapper. 215. Oh. Mahal din ang kanilang pak choy, 230. Kano na kaya ang papaya? Sobrang mahal ng papaya dito, guys. Oh, 8. 38. May pera sila ng Asian pears. Mahal, oh. 2 pieces for 1.99p. Hello? I think that's it. Do they have any fish? They have bangus. What's that, shrimp? They have milkfish, oh.
Oh, does it look a thing?
Yeah. Raw. Kan
Raw
kaya ba?
field and deveined.
How much is this? 551. Ay, ang bango.
The king coronello.
I'll go and get some siomai wrapper also. Siomai wrapper. Ito yung binili namin ni Mr. last time. Kuha tayo ulit nito. May suman sila, guys, oh. What? Yeah. Dugo ng baboy. Oh, yeah. Ito na nga lang. Kukunin natin kangkong. Sobrang papayat. We're done. Tapos na tayo, guys, sa ating Asian shopping. So, itong Asian store na pinupuntahan namin, guys, lagi. Ito ay sa loob ng university. Preston University yata to. Kaya maraming students. Ah, I'll sit there? Because?
Right on the seat.
Ah, I thought I'm gonna sit down there. So, we're going to the Aldi that close by here. Okay.
It's saying road's closed, but it's not.
Right.
Oh, maybe it is.
We're finished. Sobrang lamig, guys. Oh, gatay. Sobrang hangin. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, lamig. Tomato, yeah? Yes, for you. Which one? Which apple do you want? Yeah. One. Let me see my list. Tingnan natin ating list. Tomato, bread, milk. Do you need cereals?
No, not yet. You need any veg?
I think I want asparagus. Avocado. One only. Try ng isa. Nice. Isa lang. Let's get some corn. Kuha tayo ng broccoli. Tomatoes, apple, milk. Looks sour. Ang maasim na naman ang grapes. Beans. I found the beans. I found the beans. Kuha tayo ng chicken breast. Kuha tayo, guys, ng ito, smoked fish. Kasi ito ay lasang tinapa. 2.25. How much are they? 130.
£7.
So big. Kano yung box nila? Workbook. Blue box. Ito, guys, mga special offer. Minsan mga mura ang items nila dito. Kaya masarap magtingin-tingin. Kaso medyo mahal. For me, ang book. We have... Uy! They have cakes, oh, M&M's. Want to try March 1. So until March 1, get some sweets. Let's get one. Hanggang kailan kaya to? January 2026. Pa tayong Maltesers. Mahal din ang Maltesers. Ay! Let's get 3. 2026. Saan kaya si Mister? Tulog na tulog ang ating baby.
You want to buy another vacuum? Since I broke it.
No, I brought a broomstick from Amazon. It's better. It's good for getting my hair, collecting my hairs. Ang cute na ito, guys. Crocs. Hindi siya Crocs, pero ang cute. Excited pag laki ng baby, yes. But the mouth is too small. But I don't. We have vacuum upstairs. It's good suctions. You're wasting your money for the vacuums. Sasayang ng pera kakabili ng vacuum. Ako sa kabilang section. Kuha tayo ng Coke daw. $2.49. Same lang ng price sa Morrison. Yeah. Not sure? They have mango, oh. Mango. They have mango ice cream.
Mango sorbet.
I don't think it's nice.
There's some mango.
Sorbetes.
You don't want?
I like it. Okay, let's get one. Bago pa isip. Bigat naman. Put this back. I want the mochi up on the top. 3.25. I want to try it if it's nice.
Want the hazelnut?
Is it the same? Oh yeah, they're the same. Ang mahal niya. No, I'm okay with this.
You want that one?
Mochi ice cream.
I don't.
Don't squeeze this, ah. The cake.
Anything frozen, I want to get frozen. Milk if you can get it. This is what
We're home, guys. Ang binayaran ni Mr. sa Asian ay 17.89 ang kanyang nagastos. Wala naman tayo masyadong binili doon. Ito lang ang ating binili. Spring roll ay kailangan na ilagay ito sa rep. Lusaw na. $2.15. Yeah? It's so windy. Yeah, sobrang windy. The cornstarch is $2.70 for 420 grams. Ito kay Mr. Kimchi, 1.10. Ang ating pancit canton is 45 each. Ako ng 4. And then, ano pa ba to? Ang ating alamang shrimp paste ay 2.65. Iba siya. Mahal pala talaga to. Mahal ng kangkong nila, guys. Tapos ng tutay na. Tapos napakapayat. 250. Payat, no? Tapos ang ating ito, lumpia. Ay, siomai wrapper. Imperial Dragon. Hindi ko kita kung magkano to.
You need to get the ice cream away.
Yeah, you have to put the ice cream na. Also, may wrapper. There, it's melted. It's been melted. Let's put this na. Give me that ice cream. Ay! This needs to be flat. Where's the ice cream? Underneath? Give me the Coke. The Coke is the same price, isn't it? $2.49
Roughly the same, yeah.
at Morrison.
There's the monkey.
Yeah, I want to try this.
The Coke needs to go down in the bottom.
I want to try this first. It's expensive.
Put away and we can try. freezer.
Two
Freezer,
ice cream.
freezer.
It's gonna go down.
Yeah.
Wait a
That one
moment.
first, I think. No, that one first.
Huh? You got 3 ice cream.
Yeah.
Goodness you.
Oh, the other ice cream in them.
I'm gonna put it here. Easy. Okay. 2 ice cream.
Which
there.
one do you want? You
Oh,
want
it's
the
so
Coke?
cold.
Go and put the Coke in and lay that down.
Oh, goodness you. I want to try this. Are you hungry? We're gonna cook this. You gonna boil this?
Yeah.
No, this. Not sure
Giving
if
you-
I'm gonna
giving you to
divide
put
it.
in the fridge for now.
I'm thinking if I'm gonna divide it. Okay, wait a moment. Needs to be the bottom
I'll give you grape.
part. Okay.
Another grape.
The the green grapes look sour.
I don't know, they might not be.
I think.
Green beans. Corn and fish.
Green beans. Ito yan. Here. Corn and fish. I think the fish will gonna be freeze.
Batteries from the killer. Some of them.
Hmm? I'm gonna leave this here.
Avocado.
Ating. I don't know how much the avocado. They didn't give me the receipt. It's gone. Finished. They are all in the fridge. It's gonna be whole. This is the cake. I want to try the cake. Maalat, matamis. Yeah. You got your bread. Is it the same bread? I don't know how much is this bread.
It's very similar.
It's very similar.
The,
Okay.
the
Bread.
Orbis is nicer.
Huh? The
Orbis.
Boris. So I got this brioche. Let's put it here. For now. And your apple and banana. Your banana is already ripe. That's why they're cheaper. Tomatoes. Let's put this na. Here is my Maltesers.
I'm just going.
Hindi tayo naka-haul ngayon, guys. Ito ay, parang ang Maltesers nila ngayon is $2.85. Gonna put in my collections. Tatlo lang ating nakuhang Maltesers. So, I got 3 Maltesers. And then, gusto ko i-try ito. I-try namin ni Mr. itong ating mochi ice cream. Nasaan na yun? Wala. Magluluto na kasi ako ng ano, guys. Kaya nagmadali na kami ni Mr. ilagay itong mga ito sa ref. Ito. Magugas mo na ang kamay. Hi! Okay. Saan na si Mr. Ito palang itsura niya, guys. Oh, ito yung binili nating mochi ice cream. Ito ay 3.85. Medyo mahal din. Mahal ba naman? 3.25. Let's try this na, Mr. How it tastes like. Okay, let's try this mochi. Mochi ice cream. Ang flavor na is chocolate and hazelnut. Sa Aldi lang namin to binili.
Definitely being in hibernation this weekend.
You take off her seatbelt, but she's still here. I'm gonna be on the floor again. It's nice. Buksan natin to, guys. You want it, mister? You want some? You want to try? I know you want, because you love chocolate.
What?
Why your is bleeding? Your lips? Is that your lips? Is it blood? I'm thinking where I'm going to cook the curry, here or the big one. I don't want.
Big one.
So tayo magluluto na ng curry, guys. Nagbe-blender na ang kanyang blender. Naka-AL kasi yan. Okay, tayo magigisa na. This is for dinner na natin. Nayak ang ating baby. Mary has a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. What? She's watching ano? Maglalagay na ako guys ng curry powder sa ating pagigisa para ito ay lumasa na. Smells so good. Nilagay ko na ang ating coconut milk. Ano to ang itsura niya guys o nung ating na blender na food. So okay na yan sa ating baby. Tikim-tikim lang naman siya. Do you want some food? You like it? Yes? Yeah? You're excited? And it's the spider. You know, isn't it? Happy? Excited siya, guys. Like it? Slowly, slowly. Wait, I can see it. Isn't it? Yay! Try it. Let me check it. It's not hot. It's nice and cold. Like it? Nice? Yummy. Lagyan na natin ng patis guys para magkalasa. So naluluto na guys ang ating curry. Kaya ilalagay ko yung ating bell pepper. So luto na guys ang ating curry. Pwede na natin tong patayin. Magsandok na tayo, guys. Ready na tayo. Pwede na tayo kumain. Bango. Bihira akong mag-curry. Hindi kasi ako masyado ding mahilig mag-curry. Sa curry pala. So, konti lang ulit ang rice natin. 1 cup lang yan. Kaya, marami tayong nilagay na potatoes and carrots. Ito na guys, ang ating chicken curry. O, ayan. Ang ganda niyang tignan. Green na green. Say wait. Sino wait? Wait lang. Nagising. Kain tayo guys. How many minutes you have been asleep? 10? 20?
I thought it was sweet potato. I just realised it was ginger.
There's no sweet potato there.